Hi guys, this is VNfatBIKER Studio. First time tuning to my channel, no? So, i-chismis na si VNfatBIKER Studio, okay? At marami tayong giveaways, hindi na po tayo drone. Mamimigay po tayo ng monthly mountain bike po, no? At hi guys, this is VNfatBIKER Studio. At check the date, it's August 15. Okay, still ECQ lockdown. So, bawal magbisikleta. At bakit tayo nagbibisikleta? Well, nandito lang ako sa 7th floor na parking area dito sa amin. At dito lang paikot-ikot, paakyat. So, parang mayroon din may gradient din. Ayun ko lang ang gradient nito. So, mapapansin nyo, ayan. So now, this is the day na first launching ng ating first MTB giveaways, mountain bike giveaways. So, watch out and listen carefully po sa ating mga mechanics para makuha nyo at manalo kayo at maging legit kayo na makapasok at maging participants ng ating MTB giveaways. Again guys, this is the first time only, no? At may mga susunod pong mga giveaways ng mountain bike for succeeding event. Okay, listen carefully for the criteria, I mean the mechanics. Follow the mechanics. Pag hindi nyo na-follow mechanics, well, laglag kayo, automatic disqualified na kayo. Okay guys, this is the mechanics, no? So, number 1 mechanics, dapat legit subscriber kayo ng YouTube, okay? At ng VNfatBIKER Studio. Okay? That's the number 1. That's very important because you will need that. Okay? Number 2, bawal po ang Ninja, okay? Bawal ang Ninja YouTube account. So, we need a legit YouTube account po kung kayo ay sasali dito. Dahil nahihirapan po ako magpadala ng mga previous winners po ng ating giveaways. Nahihirapan ako maghanap kung sino kayo, identity nyo para ipapadala using my LBC partners. Okay? Number 3. Okay? You need to finish and watch this video. Okay? Don't skip ads. Okay? And number 4, dapat po na packet. Number 4, dapat is watch carefully sa ating video after this mechanics talking. Watch the video about the mountain bike giveaways na ipapakita ko. It's only a split seconds lang din naman, and then do a comment. Number 5, after you watch this video, okay, including yung follow-up video nitong mountain bike natin ito. Okay lang, liliko lang muna ako. Umuulan. Oops. Okay. Make a comment. Take note. Make a comment I want that Forge MTB color. Yan, mamimili kayo. I want that Forge MTB color Lumina. Okay, I want that Forge color orange. Okay, I want that Forge MTB color black, or I want that Forge color white. So kung ano yung may papakita, mapapanood yung video dun sa lahat ng Forge mountain bike na ipapakita ko. Just simply comment on that one. I want that Forge MTB color Lumina, and then lagyan po natin ang hashtag na VNfatBIKER Studio. Simple lang, di ba? So, kunyari ako yung nakapili ng Lumina kasi makulay. I want the Forge MTB color Lumina. Hashtag VNfatBIKER Studio. That's it. Yun lang i-comment nyo. But wait, there's more. After that one, make sure yung comment nyo na yan ay ipasa nyo na sa inyong mga YouTube subscriber na i-like, okay? I-like nyo yung comment na yon. The more like you got from a legit subscriber, and let them, ask them, encourage them to like, thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel, YouTube, VNfatBIKER Studio. Okay, I will validate that one. At least minimum, take note, at least minimum 20 likes. So, at least minimum 20 likes ang pwedeng makakwalify sa ating MTB giveaways. Then that's it. So this MTB giveaways, this first MTB giveaways, the Forge MTB, will run through for 14 days, okay? And then I will announce the winner on September 1. Kasi after na September 1, with September 2, another mountain bike naman po, or I mean maybe gravel bike ang ating pamimigay. So you have 2 weeks, you have 14 days to ask all your friends, relatives, and all your YouTube subscriber na suguri na yung kinoment ninyo, okay? Click the thumbs up, okay? And let them subscribe. Hit the bell icon po ni VNfatBIKER Studio. So that's it. So ganun kasimple lang sa pagsali ng ating mountain bike giveaways. So whoever got the more thumbs up, okay, siya po ang magkakamit ng ating MTB giveaways. And take note, this is exclusively, disclaimer lang, this is exclusive only, okay, for our YouTube subscriber within Philippines. Okay, within Philippines lang po. So yun po ang ano natin. So again, this is a free shipping. This is a free shipping. Kasi yung mga nanalo is I will ship this. Kung gusto yung ship na buo na, ship yung kalas-kalas, ship yung nakabox. So it depends. Pag-uusapan na lang natin kung sino man magiging winner. Okay? So it's very easy instruction. It's so easy criteria and mechanics. Just watch this full video. Watch the MTB video. Okay? Again, comment below. I want that Forge. For example, Lumina. I want that Forge color Lumina. Hashtag VNfatBIKER Studio. Get all your friends, your legit YouTubers, legit YouTube account. Let them hit the like button and then subscribe to my channel. So you have 40 days for this first MTB giveaways, and it will be yours, shipping free. Okay? So guys, so let's start now.